This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle Dutkin. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom/OR 3-bedroom plus office, 2-bath home, light and bright with an open floor plan. Volume ceilings, newer laminate flooring, newly painted. Kitchen features newer stainless steel appliances, eating bar and charming breakfast area. Formal dining room. Oversized master suite offers 2 walk-in closets with dual vanities, tub and beautifully tiled shower with glass door and master bath. Wonderful, large backyard. The landscaping is beautifully maintained with a lush privacy hedge. Rental price includes landscaping, 2-car garage. Beautiful street with newer homes. No pets and no smoking. 6 months rental followed by month-to-month. 60 days notice to vacate after 6-month period. First, last, security $2,800 each. It's rare to find a rental this terrific. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Dutkin at 772-219-1111.